How to make shareable posts on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can make shareable posts on Facebook. So let me show you an example. So if you open our Facebook app, currently this post right over here, there is no share button, meaning I cannot share this post. But if we look at this post right over here, there is a share button, meaning we can share this post and it is a shareable post. And if we look at this post, there you won't find share button and you can only see send in messenger. So if you want your post to be shareable, what you have to do is simply tap on what's on your mind on the top side of your screen, and now it will take you to this page where just under your name you'll see an option named friends. So simply tap on it, and now as you can see, it takes you to this page where it says post audience, and now currently it is set to friends, meaning only my friends can see my post. But if you want to make our post shareable, all you have to do is simply tap on public and then set your post audience to public. Now anyone can see our post, meaning our post has become shareable. So that is basically how you make your post shareable. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.